Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to close and delete an account here on ClickUp. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on ClickUp, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you need to close and delete your ClickUp account, you just have to follow these simple steps, and this will permanently remove your personal account data in associated workspaces. Now, I want you to click on the upper right corner. There's going to be a thing called settings. Click on that, and what will happen is, now on the settings, I want you to hover on the settings again on the left side panel of your dashboard, and there's going to be an option that says delete workspace. All right, the idea is owners of the workspaces must first delete their workspace before deleting their account. Okay, now after deleting the workspace, let me do that right now. You see, deleting this workspace will delete all the files, tasks, and history. This action is permanent and cannot be reverted. To continue, please type the workspace name to delete after it's gone. The next option that you need to do, all right, is go back, go to the upper right corner and go to the help, because you need to email the ClickUp customer support on this email. All right, let me do that. This is going to be the email hotline that you need to work with. Click the contact us option right here, because there is no direct option for you to delete your account here in ClickUp. All right, you might want to check the chat bot as well here to give us an answer. I'm gonna create an email right now. Now these are gonna be the options for you. For example, if you're looking for the account, click that, and of course tell them you wanted to delete and close your ClickUp account and you're having problems with it. They will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the problem of deletion of your ClickUp account. All right, and from there, but make sure you have enough backup of any important data before choosing to delete your account here in ClickUp. All right, because deleting it's a permanent action. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.